escalate from there. Everybody knows who has to do what. You only give a directive. So in the operations side, the teams are very well knit. You don't have to do a lot. On the operational support side, like camera that you said, when there was a mix of the uniformed people and the civilian people also, the irony is that the organizational goal that they have, the teams are not connected to the organizational goal. They look after their own domain task only. This may affect the goal, have an effect or not, they don't care. You have to micromanage. Unless it is micromanaged, in the public sector, you don't get this result. Because non-performance has no effect on their life. A small example, an actual example. When a part is not available for the aircraft, we would say that the production is on work hold up. I'm talking of camera when I was the overhauling aircraft. So I called the team, I said that, okay, this part, the aircraft did not get, when were you supposed to get it? He said 15th of December. So 16th December, he declared work hold up, that the part has not been received. Who was supposed to send me this part? He said the components department. Okay, components department, what was the time for you to send? He said 10th of December. I was supposed to send it to him. 5 days plus minus. I said, why did you not send? He said, sir, I did not have one small rubber seal which was required in the assembly of the parts, so I could not assemble. So when were you supposed to receive the seal? He said, sir, 8th of November. So I said, your work stoppage came on 8th of November. Why did you not report it? Because ultimately it is affecting the production. But for him, the seal was not available. So who was supposed to give you the seal? He said, sir, supply. Okay, supply. Why did you not give the seal? He said, sir, the rubber molding shop who was supposed to make the seal did not give the seal to me. He was supposed to get the seal by 1st of November, say. So the supply guy, his work stoppage came on 1st of November. He did not report it because aircraft production is not his responsibility. His responsibility was only to provide a seal. All right, a one small seal not provided, no effect. Somebody else was actually crying for it. All right, the rubber molding shop, why did you not give the seal to him? He said, sir, I did not have the raw material to make the seal from. Who was supposed to give you the seal? Sir, supply. Now get back to supply. Why did you not give the raw material to the rubber department? He said, sir, it was imported. The consignment got delayed. When was this consignment supposed to reach, sir? 27th of September. I said, when the consignment did not come, so your work hold up actually started on 27th of September, showing an effect on 15th of December. This was not my job as a managing director. This was not my job. This was the job of the coordination structure of the cross-functional team themselves. There is a machine not working because the fresh water supply